Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Amazon Echo Show smart home controls for multiple homes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your Amazon Echo Show smart home controls for multiple homes, start by ensuring your device is powered on. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the settings menu. Select settings from the options presented. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on device options. Choose factory reset to reset your Echo Show. Confirm that you want to proceed with the reset. Wait for the device to complete the reset process. Once the device restarts, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Echo Show again. Select your preferred language and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Sign in to your Amazon account when prompted. After signing in, the Echo Show will guide you through the device setup process. Once the device is set up, you'll need to configure your smart home settings. Go to the Smart Home option in the Settings menu. Here, you can choose to add smart home devices from different homes. Select Devices. Tap Add Device to begin adding new smart devices. Follow the prompts to connect each smart device to your Echo Show. Once all devices are added, you can create groups if necessary. This will help manage devices from different homes more effectively. Return to the Smart Home menu to customize device settings as needed. You can rename, group, and control devices according to your preferences. Remember to test each smart device to ensure they respond correctly. Adjust any settings for voice control for each device if required. Your Echo Show is now set up to control smart home devices across multiple homes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.